Ever feel like your PS5's hiding your games? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to easily find your entire game library. From the main PS5 home screen, look for the game library icon. It's usually located towards the right side of your screen, next to the PlayStation Store icon. This is it. Click the game library icon and it will open your library. Here you can see all the games and apps you own, whether they're downloaded, on disk, or part of your PlayStation Plus subscription. By default, you'll be in the Your Collection tab. This section shows everything you've purchased or added to your library. Next, check out the PlayStation Plus tab. Here, you'll find all the games you've claimed through your PlayStation Plus subscription that are available to download. To filter out games you have already installed, go to the filter option and pick the installed filter. Now you will see the games you have installed only. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific game in your library by typing in its name. And that's it. Now you know how to access and navigate your game library on your PS5. Happy gaming!